Zapier versus N8N in 2025. Which automation tool should you choose? And let's automate this decision. Overview. Zapier is the go-to code automation platform that connects over 6,000 apps. It's popular for its simplicity and plug-and-play experience. N8N, short for Node to Node, is an open-source workflow automation tool. It is self-hostable and ideal for users who want flexibility, customization, and control over their data. Pricing. Zapier starts free, but quickly gets pricey. The professional plan costs $29.99 per month, and higher tier plans can exceed $100 per month depending on tasks. N8N, on the other hand, is free if you self host. Their cloud version starts at $20 per month for 5,000 workflow executions, making it more affordable for developers and teams comfortable with tech, features, and flexibility. Zapier excels at ease of use. Its editor is beginner friendly, and setting up automations called zaps takes just a few clicks. N8N offers more depth. You can create complex conditional workflows, write custom code, and connect to APIs without limitations. If you need basic automations, Zapier wins. If you want developer grade power and open ended control, N8N takes the lead. Integrations. Zapier integrates with thousands of tools, practically anything you can think of. It's plug and play, no coding needed. N8N has hundreds of integrations out of the box. And if something is missing, you can build it using HTTP requests or custom code. It is not as broad, but far more customizable. Use cases. Zapier is ideal for marketers, solopreneurs, and small teams who want quick, reliable automation without any code. N8N, best for developers, agencies, or tech-savvy businesses that need control, advanced logic, or GDPR compliant self-hosting. Final verdict. So, after comparing between both of them, which one do you think you will go for in 2025? In my opinion, choose Zapier if you want ease, speed, and massive app support, and go for an 8N if you want power, flexibility, and lower costs, especially if you can self host. Both are great, but the best tool depends on your needs. And that is it for our comparison. If you find this comparison helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.